What's up, YouTube? It's me again, and let's choose more of the stuff we have to do. So let's get started. Okay. This is the mystery food challenge. Mystery slime challenge. So I have my buddy Toad right here. Alright, Luigi, are you ready? Oh yes, Mario, I am. I can't wait to start. Yes, Luigi, I know, but Mario, how do we start the slime challenge? Stretchy slime is really sticky, but remember, did you know what you can do? What? In 2000, the slime is really vintage. Vintage slimes are really crazy, I guess. It's okay, let's do it. Round 1. Here we go, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, spin! Okay, let's see what we got. Are you kidding me? I got ground beef. Yeah, Mario, you did get ground beef. I know, but the ground beef is definitely really bad. It's not bad, it's good. I know. What'd you get, Luigi? I got Fruity Pebbles. Yes, you did. What else did you get, Bowser? I got, Cocoa Pebbles. You got it. We got something. We have this. This is the Apple Jacks. I almost got the Honey Nut Cheerios right here. But, Koopa, I thought we can get more slime. Well, we have this. Hey, look, Toad. What is it, Koopa? It looks like we have something that look like Kellogg's. Oh yeah, Frosted Flakes are good. Did you have them? Yeah. Alright, round 1 is complete, but now we are in round 2. Okay, here we go. Let's see we have. How do we start? Let's see it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Ooh, what do we got here? Thank goodness, I only got Super Mario mushrooms. Yeah. Wait, what? Do you have those? Yeah, you got fire flowers, Luigi. I did. Bowser, look! Yes, Wonder Flowers. Awesome. You got it too. But look, we got the Super Bell powers. You did, but wait. Are these elephant power-ups? Yep. What's you, Koopa? Alright. I got this one right here. It's the poison mushroom. Nasty, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. Now this is really nasty, huh? Oh yeah. We put our power-ups in our slime today. Round 3. We made it to the 3rd round, and let's see what we got here. Oh wait, I need to spin the wheel. Sorry about that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Alright, let's see what do we got here. Oh yes, we got green stuff. Like green donuts. I got the green shamrocks. I got the green apples. I got the green pears. I got the green tomatoes. And I got the green olives. We got our green slime challenge. The mystery slime challenge we got right here is today. You're right, Mario. It's cool. Isn't that beautiful today? Oh, yes. Round 4. Alright, this time, we need to think about something. Let's see what we got. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Ooh, what do we got here? Oh my goodness, red sauce. And I got Nutella. Yeah, Luigi, you did. Hey, I got marmalade. You did, Bowser. And look, I got white sauce. And cheese sauce, too. Thank goodness. What do we got? Tartar sauce. No way. I can't believe it. This is pretty sick. I don't know why we can do that right here. We already put the sauces in our slime. Round 5. Okay, so we made it to round 5, and let's see what we got right here. 3, 2, 1, spin! Ooh, what's this? Oh my goodness, I got jalapenos. I know, right? So look, I got something delicious. Chocolate. Yeah. We got some Hershey's. Oh yes. Extravaganza apples right here. No way. That's crazy. We got silver beads. I think they're crunchy. It's pretty combined. I know, right? I got the the crazy jam of grape jelly right here. Crazy, isn't it? Yep. Round 6. Well, I have this one. Alright, let's see what we got right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Ooh, what's this? Oh yes, I got a giant Dorito. Wait, that's D. That is D. Look, you could put it in the slime. I could, but look. I got the spicy nachos. Yep, you sure did. Hey, I got freezing cold Cheetos. I know, Bowser. I can't believe it. We also got the Flamin' Hot Lemon. Okay, we got some barbecue. And even like chocolate chips. And they're really small too. Round 7. Alright, round 7 is right here. And we got something else. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Okay. Now we got some brown stuff. We got the mud slime. You got the crazy brown car. We also got the... You guys got anything else? Did you get the delicious chocolate bricks? We did, but look, they're really good. Okay, round 8. Alright, let's see what we got right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin! Let's see what we got. Ooh, I got this. Yes, I got some candy Lego bricks. Oh dear, Luigi, you got Switch. Actually, I got some candy grass. Oh yeah, you did. Alright, you 4 got the caramel? You did. I did, yes. That's okay. Round 9. Okay, the 9th round is really simple. Here we go. I don't know why Luigi got Switch. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, spin! What's this? It's just black oil. Pretty nasty, isn't it? Hey, we also got French fries. Yeah, we did. But you guys are cool. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Final round. Alright, everyone. We made it to the final round. We did. Okay. Let's do this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Spin! Not bad. We got Sriracha. Yeah, we did have Sriracha right here. We all got Sriracha. Yeah, right, Mario? You got it. Okay, the slime is ready. Yes! Wow! I can't believe it. Whoa, this is great. Whoa, this is awesome. Stretch. Go, Toad. Awesome. More rounds coming soon.